Hello, and welcome to this short video about Swiss machining. Swiss machining is a specialized process that involves using high-precision machinery to produce parts with incredibly high levels of detail and accuracy. This process is highly regarded for its ability to produce parts that are both beautiful and functional, and it is used in a wide range of industries, from aerospace to medical to jewelry making. One of the key benefits of Swiss machining is the high level of detail that can be achieved. This is because the process involves using extremely fine tools to cut and shape the metal, which allows for incredibly smooth and polished surfaces. This is particularly useful for parts that are intended to be used in high-end applications, where the appearance of the part is just as important as its functionality. If you're interested in learning more about Swiss machining, or if you're looking to collaborate with a company that specializes in this process, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help you achieve your manufacturing goals and bring your ideas to life.
Get instant quotes on CNC machining, molding, casting, stamping, 3D printing, and more at www.findtop.com.